Hello and welcome to Young Learners, beginner level. In today's lesson we learn about the home. Let's first go to the living room. Listen and say. Lamp, window, sofa, table, picture, wall, television. Great job! Let's now go to the bedroom. Listen and say. Bed, toy, clock, computer. Awesome! Let's now go to the bathroom. Listen and say. Bath, mat, mirror, phone. Brilliant! Make sure to come back soon to watch another video or visit our website ESLeschool.com.